Alright, TS4. So we just finished with the electrical tester and some other tools. Right out of the screen there. Most likely the videos I'm going to be in the same line as it film. And as on my phone, it's just to do a quick editing and post it up compared to videos. I'm going to be half for more than a year now that on my laptop that I haven't posted yet. So hopefully nobody wasn't looking out for them videos, or maybe I put it in a shorts and say I was going to upload it and nothing happened so far. Especially I have plenty off-roading videos and drifting videos and those things, and nothing haven't gone anywhere so far. But let me get to these videos here. Hopefully I'll get to them there. This is the brand. The price is 400 here. I don't think I paid 400 for it, but we could still cater it as 400. I don't know where the bill is. When we bought all the things together, we get a huge discount on the items that we purchase. So you could watch here and watch a whole rundown on this here. So this is for this brakes piston separator. These separate the piston back into the brakes unit itself, so that you could put your brakes in. When you're changing your brakes, the piston does end up pushing out against the pad, and then when you take it out, it does be sticked out, and it'll be difficult to get it back into the shaft. So it has used this and put it between the body of the brakes caliper body and the piston, and that will push it back out. If it's a double piston you have, you could get a flat plate or even a screwdriver or something and create cross two of the pistons and tighten it, and that will push it back in even still. So I'm gonna come back closer so you can get a check it out there. So just showing you an example of it right there. It's pushing against the brakes body there. Caliper body. Is it anything else outside? Nothing other than the brand and just telling you about the item. So we don't have to make this video too long. So if we get it out, it does have plenty different type of these devices to push back in the pistons and stuff. This one is a little bit more expensive than the others, because it had this nice little handle here, and some of them just have a little kind of screw handle to screw in. So yeah, it moves nice and smooth here. So you just basically put it in between the brakes body there, what just hold your brake stuff there, and it will bounce against the body of the, with one brake says rest on, and the side with the piston on, this will push it back in and push it back out. Am I moving the correct direction? Yeah, this is the direction, and just push till it squeeze flat in. As I say, it's more designed for one piston, but if you have double piston, you could just put a plate or something across, and this will just push against it. If you have two pistons, one here, you put a long piece of metal or screwdriver or something, and this will push it back in still by just hitting that, and you're good to go. I haven't used this one yet to test it out. This one, as you can see now, come out of plastic. Normally we use pliers and all kind of thing and squeeze them and just push them back in. Sometimes we meet up one who was a little stubborn, getting in trouble, and we decide to get this to go in case of any difficulty to help you out there with that one. Yeah, so that's it for this brake piston separator here. So we just have one more package here to finish. There are some other packages somewhere about, but to dig up for them now, I can't remember. So it's just to start with this one here. Let's go to the next video.